Today I'll be showing you how to use vectors and a line or another vector to slice the vectors that you currently have into multiple objects. So we'll start off with the vectors that we want to use. For this we are going to use a series of rectangles. We'll get our 4 rectangles ready. It's best if they don't have a stroke on them, so there's no outline, it's just 4 empty or 4 filled vectors. You then select the other vector that you want to overlay. So if we want to have a curved line down here, instead of drawing it with the pen tool, you can just use the circle tool and get the shape that you're after. Once you have all of your vectors ready, you can then highlight them all or select them all and go into your Pathfinder tool. If you do not have Pathfinder down the side of your properties table, you can go up to Window and down to Pathfinder. So in your Pathfinder tool, you'll have a divide button. So that will separate all of your current vectors and it will cut them where they're overlapping each other. So when we divide our vector, we can double click on them because they'll be grouped and pull them all apart. As they're all apart in a group, if you want to select an individual one, you'll have to ungroup your objects. So now they should all be movable on their own. And that's how you divide a vector using another vector. If you want to divide your vector using a line, it is a very similar process. So we've got our 4 vectors here. We can use our pen tool and just draw a line however we would like it. As we are using a line, it would be better to look at the stroke, not the fill. So we'll switch it over to stroke on our side. We now select all of our objects that we want to divide up, and using the Pathfinder tool again, we can divide our objects. Once again, it is grouped, so you can ungroup that. And if we want to select just these, we can separate them out. So we can separate using another vector to break it up, or you can break up your object using the line tool as well.